Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change add to calendar text in the event calendar plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to change add to calendar text to any custom text by using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then insert plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our text add to calendar and we are going to change this text to custom text. So this is our translated or custom text. So you can add text according to your requirement. So we are using the event calendar plugin. Now go to page, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see text format add to calendar. So you can add this text format in custom code. Now you see some letter capital, some small. So edit same, back to code. Now you see text format same. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. Now click on it and then you see multiple option. Now select front end conditional logic, so click on it. So we select it and then scroll down, you see smart conditional logic, enable this option and then you see show and then you see button add new group, so click on it. Now select post type and then you see is, again you see drop down, now select event. So this code only apply on post type event and then on top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to page, now refresh the page. Now you see text is changed, so you can increase button width using custom CSS. So you can add any text in custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.